Hello, and so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to block someone on Offerup. So what you want to do first is go ahead and open up the Offerup application. Afterwards, once that's finished loading, simply click on Inbox on the bottom side of the screen. Now this is where you're going to see all your chat messages. All you need to do is click on the chat message or individual who you want to block. Now on the upper right hand corner where you see the three dots, simply just click on the three dots and then click on report. Now once you're redirected to this report user screen, you can simply just click on none of the above. And now once you're on this screen, you can actually add a note, and then right over here where it says block this user question mark, you can simply just toggle this on and then submit the report. So if this individual really didn't do anything, but you do want to block them, normally all I do is click on none of the above as far as the reason goes in which I want to report this user. But sometimes maybe some people will be rude or inappropriate. You can simply just click on rude or inappropriate, then click on in messaging. And again, the last toggle screen before you actually submit your report will allow you to block the user on Offerup. So again, this tutorial is dedicated to how to block someone on Offerup. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them down below as well.